Today, we're going to take a look at the one-click post feature that just rolled out from Nichesss, which utilizes the new text Davinci 3 model. This produces higher quality writing. It's supposed to significantly help long-form content. In this video, we're going to write a 700-word article in a single one-click post. It looks like we're going to have to click a few more times than one, but it should be stupidly simple and remarkably good. And let's just use a Gary V title from a YouTube video that he made 11 days ago. I'm going to use this as my post title. I'm going to click next, and we're going to get an outline which says utilize social media platforms, focus on customer segmentation, incorporate personalization, embrace emerging technologies, analyze and track your performance. That is really good for a general outline. And we're seeing a lot more in the personalization space right now. Customer segmentation has been huge because it lets you optimize ad dollars. So let's go ahead and generate this article and let's see what ends up happening from the AI as it writes our blog post. So I just watched a little bit of the Gary V video. I wanted to see where he was at coming into 2023. And here we see as we approach 2023, this is really good context off of the start. That's the first thing that just jumped out at me. Marketing is a crucial element of any business, regardless of its size or industry. And then we say what we're going to be discussing. Utilize social media platforms. In order to succeed in marketing in 2023, it's imperative to capitalize on the power of social media platforms. I'm not saying TikTok. Through engaging posts, stories, and ads, businesses can strengthen their brand identity, build relationships, and generate leads. Customer segmentation is an absolutely vital part of any successful marketing strategy. It's important to take the time to define who your target market is and what makes them different from other potential customers. By segmenting your customers, you can tailor your marketing messages to their specific needs and wants, thus increasing your chances of success. Now, this is probably one of the most important tips that we know works in a current environment. Personalization is a powerful tool in marketing, and in 2023, it will be more important than ever. Personalization can be used in a variety of ways, from customizing emails to targeting ads. This is really good. Again, personalization goes kind of hand in hand. Once you segment, then you personalize, and then you embrace new technologies. Again, I would like to see TikTok mentioned at somewhere, from artificial intelligence to virtual reality and augmented reality. There's a wide range of technologies that can be harnessed to create an engaging customer experience. And then number 5, analyze and track your performance. Once you've established your goals and implemented a plan to reach them, it's time to analyze and track your performance. So there's not a conclusion section, but there is a conclusion paragraph. That's really good that it picked up on that. I could run with this article off of that one little title that I took from a Gary V. Realistically, you could proofread, you can add your own little spin to it. Always recommend doing that with these AI tools. Now, Grammarly's telling me that they didn't find any plagiarism. If I paste this into Brainwork, it passes the plagiarism checker powered by Copyscape. With Nichesss, the outputs are amazing and the experience continues to get better and better. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz. Hopefully this video brought you some value. Give this video a like if it did, and we'll see you in the next one.